How to find who you follow on Amazon. Now in this video, I'll show you where you can check out all the content creators that you followed on Amazon. You could actually do this both your mobile device or on the official website of Amazon. So all I have to do at first is make sure that you're logged in into the account. Now the old version of doing that is by hovering your mouse into your account name right here and then click on account. So the older version of Amazon will actually show you all your followed list right on your account field. However, they have changed it and updated it to a new field. So all I have to do is to go into the search box and in here type in Amazon Live, and then you should be able to see all the content creators on Amazon Live field right here. Now on your left side, you should be able to see all your follower as well. Saying here that creators you follow will appear here. And that's it. That's how you find who you follow on Amazon.